Hi everybody, it's me Tracy. I wanted to do a little walk and talk. Um, I've been on the road now for a little over a year living in my travel trailer, and it's always been a retirement dream for me to live in my RV, travel, and hit the road. I'm doing that. So January I spent in Quartzsite, Arizona. They have a yearly event. And in February, I was at American Girl Mine, which is BLM land in California, on the border of Yuma, Arizona. There was an event there called Van Aid. At both of these events, there were a lot of people. But what really got me were how many seniors that were there. Not the seniors that snowbird there, not the seniors that come from cold climate down to Arizona and stay there until it gets hot and then they head back. Not those. I'm talking about the seniors that are homeless. Okay? I'm talking about the seniors that didn't choose to live in their vehicles like I did. I'm talking about the seniors that have no choice but to live in their vehicles because they can't afford anything else. Those are the people that I'm talking about. We got to do better. People, black, white, green, yellow, blue, orange, purple, it doesn't make any difference. People, we're going to have to help each other because the government is not doing it. Big corporation certainly isn't doing it, which is the one that run this country. We have to look out for each other. To have our seniors do all this work all their lives just to resort to living in their freaking car at retirement age is sad. But for these seniors, anybody that's receiving Social Security, um, VA benefits, pensions, um, any retirement benefits. I don't know if you know or not, but that money is protected by federal and state law. Any third party, um, credit cards, medical, people, doesn't matter, cannot have access to that money. They cannot. They can sue you, they can get a judgment, they won't get that money. The only way that they're able to get that money is if you have two times more than what you get monthly. So, for instance, if your Social Security or whatever it is $1,000, you can't have any more than um, $2,000 in your account because they can get what's over 2,000. But if you're living in your car, you don't have to worry about that anyway because you don't have the money. So your money is protected. Stop paying the credit card companies and the medical bills and all that other stuff. In 1974, there was a law that passed. It's called the Fair Debt Protection Act. And that law says no third parties can take any of your Social Security money. That's it. It's protected. Before then, they were able to do it. And seniors were not able to eat or buy medication because these third parties were coming and taking the money. Well, you don't have to worry about that. You don't have to worry about that. Stop paying the credit card bills. Unless you're planning on buying a house in the next 5, 10 years, which I know if you're living in your car, that may not be the case. Stop paying all these people. Stop it. They can't do anything to you. They can't do anything but make phone calls. And what I do when they call and I feel like answering the phone, I tell them, hey, I can't help you. I'm on Social Security retirement. I make less than $1,000 a month, and I live in my car, and I can't eat. I can't help you. See, they already know your rights. They know they can't touch your money. So they're going to be bringing up all these plans and everything to try to get you to start making payments and everything. They don't care about you. So tell them that, you're not interested in that. You can't even focus on that. Goodbye, hang the phone up. Boom, that's it. That's it. Okay? And don't have this moral guilt that you owe this money and now you're feeling bad because you want to do the right thing. You know what? The government and big corporations don't give a crap about you. Why are you caring about them? They don't care if you're going to miss a meal because you made a payment. They don't care if you can't afford your medication. They don't care about all that. Why are you caring? The law passed, you protected. Stop worrying about that. Look, there is a nonprofit law firm called HELPS, HELPS. It stands for Help Eliminate Legal Problems for Seniors. They specialize in seniors and anybody that receives um, retirement benefits. Anybody, they can help you. I love this law firm. So I learned a lot from them. They have YouTube videos. I learned a lot from them, and I want to pass it on to you because a lot of seniors don't know. This law firm specializes and is all about helping seniors and trying to get us to not worry and stress over this bull crap. You know, we can't make payments because we don't have that kind of money coming in. We don't have that kind of money coming in. We can't do it. So stop making those payments. If you have any questions or need any information, leave me a comment and I'll get back to you. But it's called Helps, nonprofit law firm. You'll find it on YouTube. Go check out their videos. It is for you. This man, his name is Eric. Oh, I forget his last name. He's been a lawyer for over 40 years. He started off in bankruptcy, as a bankruptcy lawyer. And what made him create, those one, hold on. Why he created Helps was because when he was doing the bankruptcies, he was doing it for seniors and realizing that seniors didn't know their right. They wanted to file bankruptcy because of the credit card company. Well, you can't afford to make your monthly payments. You really can't afford a bankruptcy, but they're stuck. They don't know what to do. And that's why he went from bankruptcy to Helps. Because the thing was, he would tell them, you don't need to file for bankruptcy. Just stop paying. There's nothing they can do. Just stop paying. They can't come after you. They ain't going to try to take your car. Now, if you have assets, you really need to call them. Depending on what your income is, they will help you for free. They have a little scale, but God, the payments are so low. You're talking about probably less than $20 a month, to get the help that you need. They specialize in it. So people, please give them a call if you are stressing out financially. They can't add any money to your budget, but they can make sure that you can use your money that you're getting for you. Okay? So anyway, I really wanted to get that across there because it hurts my heart to see a lot of us out there that's living like this. It hurts my heart. If they were like me, who wanted this lifestyle, okay, that's good. If they didn't want this lifestyle and they can't help it, and there's several people that was in our group in Quartzsite um, that were living in a car. You cannot tell me that's what you really wanted to do. That's just what you're stuck to do, and it's just so sad. It's sad. We are all a paycheck away from being in the streets. If anything happened to me while I was on the road, I don't have the money to be getting an apartment. First of all, I ain't trying to pay nobody that much. I got 3 sons. Somebody's getting ready to let me come to their house. I am not, going to be stressing out over where I'm going at this age. I got 3 kids. Make room. But everybody's not as fortunate. So anyway, do me a favor. It's not going to cost you anything. I want you to like, comment, subscribe. Any questions, leave it in the comment section, and I promise I'll get back to you. The nonprofit law firm is called Helps, HELPS. Go check them out. Please go check them out. If you are stressing, if you are worried, please. I found them because I was stressing and I was worried. And when I realized that I'm not trying to buy nothing big in the future. So my credit score, I don't give a crap what it is. I'm done with all that. It's all about living now. So when I realized all that, the worries went away and I stopped making the payments. Max out them cars before you start making the payments. You didn't hear me say that. But anyway, um, any questions, just leave it in the post. People that are stressing, please, please don't stress. Go talk to Eric. Go look at the videos. I promise you, it'll make you feel better. And I wish things were better for us, and our seniors. I really do. But anyway, love you all. Talk to you later. Kiki and Sharon and I are putting up, building a shed on her land. I'm going to videotape that. That should be something to see because none of us are built for that. Ooh, Lord, I know I'm not. But anyway, love y'all. Talk to you later. Bye.